Turning your engine 11J13 engine turn. Engine is turning good. Compressor here is good, no damage, no broken. Same as well the alternator here. Everything is good, didn't see any damages. And the starter here also good, no problem. And from this side everything is good, didn't see any damages parts. Same as well on top here, very nice, very good. And the turbo also good, no problem. All the jar pipe from this side is good, no problem. And down here the oil sump, gearbox good, and the engine is turning good.